Good morning. Where to, sir?
Good morning. Please take me to the Central train station.
Sure. In a hurry?
Yes. My train leaves in 30 minutes. Please drive fast, but safe.
Don't worry. I'll do my best.
Thank you. How long will it take?
Around 20 minutes, if traffic is not too heavy.
I hope so. I can't miss this train.
Are you traveling far?
Yes, to Osaka. Business meeting tomorrow morning.
Ah, I see. Big city.
Yes, but today I'm nervous about time.
Relax, sir. We'll get there.
Excuse me, can we stop at that convenience store?
Now?
Yes, I just need water and some snacks.
All right, but please be quick.
Of course. Thank you. Sorry for the delay.
No problem. Got everything?
Yes, I didn't have time for breakfast.
Better to eat something before the train.
Exactly. Trains can be crowded, and food is expensive there.
True. Okay, let's go. Still about 10 minutes left.
That's good. I feel a bit calmer now.
See? I told you. We'll make it.
That's nice of you.
Here we are, the station.
Perfect timing. Thank you so much. How much is it?
It's 1,200 yen.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a safe trip.
Thanks, bye.
Hi, is this taxi free?
Yes, get in. Good evening. Where would you like to go?
Please take me to the Grand Palace Hotel.
Sure. That's about 30 minutes from here. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
You just arrived?
Yes, first time here. I'm a little excited.
Welcome. This city has many nice places.
Oh, really? Can you tell me some?
Of course. Do you like history or shopping?
I like both. Maybe history first.
Then you should visit the old castle. It's very famous.
Castle? That sounds nice. How far is it?
From your hotel, maybe 20 minutes by taxi.
Okay. I will go there tomorrow. What else?
There is also a big temple near the river. Very beautiful at night.
Oh, I love night views. That sounds perfect.
And for shopping, the city center has many streets.
Great. I will try that too. Do you have a favorite place?
Yes. I like the small food market. Local food, cheap and tasty.
That's good advice. What should I try there?
Try the grilled fish and rice cakes. Very popular.
Sounds delicious. I will.
Do you like spicy food?
A little. Not too spicy.
Then be careful. Some dishes here are very hot.
Okay, I will remember that.
Here we are. This is your hotel.
Perfect. How much is it?
It's 500 yen.
Thank you. You gave me many good ideas.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
I will. Have a good evening.
You too, goodbye.
Good morning. Where to, ma'am?
Good morning. Please take me to City Hospital.
Sure. City Hospital, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Do you need to go fast, or normal speed is fine?
Normal speed is fine. I'm not in a big hurry.
All right. It should take around 15 minutes. Is that okay?
Yes, that's okay. Thank you.
No problem. Do you go there often?
Yes, my mother is admitted there. I visit her every day.
I see. I hope she gets better soon.
Thank you. She is improving slowly.
That's good to hear. The doctors there are quite good.
Yes, they are kind and helpful.
Do you want me to drop you at the main gate or the emergency gate?
Main gate, please.
All right. We will reach in a few minutes.
Okay. By the way, how long have you been driving a taxi?
Almost 10 years now.
That's a long time. Do you like the job?
Yes, it's fine. I meet many people every day. Some are nice, some are quiet.
Yes, I can imagine.
We are here. That's the hospital on the left.
Yes, please stop near the entrance.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you very much. How much is it?
It's 250 yen.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too.